Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we will show you how to remove and replace rear guys, rear torsion bar, also known as sway bar on Fiat 500 guys. Now we will be upgrading with a bigger bar, so we'll put the link in the description of the video below where we got ours from. It's supposed to improve the handling really good guys. I drove one with one of those and it was amazing. So that's what we'll be doing today. In addition, let me introduce you to the channel guys. If you need to buy any parts or tools that we'll be using, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where you get all our tools and parts from. Another thing, every single car we get at the shop we try to make guys at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. So all that being explained guys, let's start on it. We have it jacked up here and probably, we're gonna lift it up even a little bit more. Let's actually, we're going to bring the lift up a little bit more so we have more room, to work on. You can do it at home with no lift, just on jack stands, but if you're on the market to buy a home lift like that, this is amazing guys. And I will put the link in the description of the video below, where we purchased ours from. But we're going to lift it up so we can work on it better. Perfect. Did the other side go up? Like that. I'll let it come on the safety latches. And what you need to do, you need to pre-loosen your wheel bolts or have the emergency brake on and take them off, but I'll recommend to pre-loosen them before you get it on the lift. So we'll be guys removing that wheel next. We have one bolt that we need to remove. You can see right here, that's the only one left, and then we will show you what we'll be doing. Now there are some special tools that you may use, but things will get complicated, so we will explain guys what we do, but it's something that I will not recommend, but it's the easiest thing to do, but in some cases it can lead to actually strip bolts. So let's go ahead and show you what we're going to do now. So now guys, we're going to use interphone spray. We're going to spray, let's soak that bolt too as well, because that's one that we'll need to remove later. So that cleans really rust and stuff like that. And we have two bolts on the back side. Now before we actually guys start removing the other bolts, I will even recommend, this is probably a 21. Let's see. We're going to go ahead and get this one loose. So later when we come down we can actually go ahead. Oh no, we need to get the correct socket. This is I believe it's a 21 millimeter. Let's see which one it is. So 21 or 13, 16 if you're using a US socket fits really good, but this thing is really tight guys. Make sure it's a 6-point socket. 6-point socket works better that way. Actually it's not going to guys round the bolt, because if it rounds it, it's really hard to remove it after that. So check it out now. Let's see if we can get it loose with little impact. Perfect, bolt is out. And now we can continue with getting the other ones loose. And we'll show you guys what we need to do. If you guys remove the disc, it will be super easy, but that's quite a bit of work. You need to remove these two bolts, the brake caliper. Now there is a special wrench that looks like this one. It's a star. I'll put the link in the description of the video below and you can see what I'm talking about. But actually guys, we don't have one like now right now, and we'll be using a 14 millimeter box wrench, a 12-point. I would not recommend to do that, but it's doable. We'll get it there on the bolt, and we're going to get it loose now guys. Now we're going to push this way and we'll get that bolt loose. Maybe sometime today we'll try to do it. So once you pre-loosen it, you can use a 14 millimeter wrench if you need to. I will explain about that. So I'll just go ahead and pull that one now. That one is tight guys. I need to. I came loose on this side a little bit. Let me pre-loosen it a little bit more. Okay, perfect. Now I'm going to do the other one, guys. Okay, let me see if I'm in. I should be in, right? Yeah. Okay, I cannot stop myself. Let me see if I can get a little bit of an extension to do it, or with the foot. But you have to make sure that you don't actually, you don't push it sideways, not to come loose. So, what we'll do, okay, perfect. This one came loose too. After that, guys, we can use just 9/16 wrench. Okay, once they come loose, and we'll show you what we're going to do. Okay, it's a tight fit, but let's see if it's going to come out or not. Or we need to come back a little bit. So, 9/16 now, guys. We pre-loosen it, so it should go easier now. Just a regular or 14mm regular wrench. Now you can always strip your bolts like that, so I would recommend to get a wrench that looks okay, like that one, the start looking Torx, reverse torque speed. So what we'll do now, okay, we're going to get these two bolts loose all the way. Okay, you can see that's what we're working on now. Perfect, almost getting there. That's why it's a good thing to always lubricate them and clean the rest off of them on the back side and let them soak for probably an hour or two before you start working, so it can clean all that and they can easily be removed. Otherwise it will be, guys, okay, almost impossible if you have too much rust. So let's go ahead, do that one now. Okay, same thing to this one, and then we'll continue and show you what to do. So we're removing the bolts, guys. Okay, that's what it's happening now. Both of them, just getting them loose. Towards the end, you might need to do them just with the wrench if you cannot get it in and out. Okay, we'll see how much we're going to gain here. Okay, I moved it like that a little bit. I slid it so that way we can gain a little bit of room. There is a lot of thread locker on these bolts, guys. Thread locker. Okay, check it out now. That's why they're not coming loose, right? Because otherwise from vibrations they'll come really loose, guys, and you don't want that to happen. So alright, the bolts stay there. Don't pull them out. They just stay like that. Okay, perfect. And now let's remove the other one. Okay, this one got loose as well. So let's go ahead and see. Okay, this one came loose. What we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and get the torsion bar loose on the other side, only that middle bolt, and we'll try to slide it this way out without removing the other bracket. So we're going to the other side. We'll show you guys what we'll be doing here. So we'll just spread that bolt now. Okay, and we're going to pre-loosen it. Okay, let's see where it went. Pre-loosen this one, and then okay, spread a little bit the bar there, the torsion bar. Alright, 21mm, guys, remember. And let's get that thing loose. All the way in. Okay, and go. It is tight, so I'll get it from this side. Okay, so I can pull. Okay, more. Let's go a little bit more. That is extremely tight, guys. Okay, almost there. Probably it has thread locker, but it has rust too. So maybe it's mostly rust on this bolt, because I see quite a bit of rust. Okay, perfect. We're gonna go ahead, get it loose. Okay, let's see the impact we're doing. and then it stopped. We hit a red spot, and that will prevent it from going more. Okay, once we jump that spot, we should be able to. Okay, perfect. So let's get it out. Wow, do you see all that rust and dust that came out? Perfect. Now let's see if we can grab the bar. Okay, slide it out. We don't even need to get that bracket loose. And this is the original bar, guys. Okay, original bar. And now we're going to get the aftermarket one. Okay, so we're going to start on this side now. And let's compare them. You will see the difference, how much thicker. Okay, the new bar is way thicker, guys. Heavier too, that's the downside, but you need good torsion bar if you want, guys, to have a more stable car. So we'll go ahead, install it, and show you guys what to do now. So we're starting the bar on this side. I'm going to lift it up. Okay, on this side, one person will go on the other one, and we'll try to get it in at the at the other bracket there. Okay, perfect. And let's come install the one on this side as well. Okay, I don't remember if it was going all the way out, and then we'll continue. So we're getting some thread locker, blue thread locker by Loctite. I'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get one from, guys. We'll apply on the bolts. Okay, let me see if I can apply from this side a little bit, and we turn it because we're getting a little bit empty on that. Oh, right there, I got it on the glove accidentally. And the other one, I don't see it, I need to come on this side. So I'll go ahead, apply that, and we'll continue. So we're getting that bar, okay, that mount for the bar, excuse me. Push it in. Okay, we're going to push the bar all the way on the other side too. So okay, we can go as much as we can, and then we're going to pull it this way once we start the bolts, guys. So at that point, okay, lift up. Okay, one bolt started. Now starting the second one, what we're going to do, we'll get these two tight. Okay, we're gonna get this tight and the other one, and we will leave this one for last. So all we have to do is just get those tight now. So after that, we got the two bolts tight. Okay, everything's tight there. This one is not installed yet. We're going to go ahead, okay, and make it even on the left, okay, and the right side. More. Okay, a little bit more. I think that's it. Okay, you can see this one looks like it's a little bit longer than the factory one. Okay, so let me go and check what it looks like on the other side, and we'll see if it's even, and that way we can get the two big bolts tight. A little bit more. It needs a little bit more on this side, guys. So I need to go ahead and push it. Okay, just okay. Let's go. Probably about 1 millimeter or 2 millimeters. Okay, towards this side. Needs to come out. Okay, probably like that. Let's see now. That should be good, right? So all we have to do, go ahead, install the bottom bolts loose. Get them tight, excuse me. Okay, getting these two bolts tight, this one and the one on the other side. Recheck everything, get all the bolts tight, install your wheels, and you're ready to go, guys. So, not too complicated. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.